Hello everyone. Robometrics now brings to you a complete collection of videos on computer vision. So starting with the very first video involved in computer vision is reading a photo or a video in Python. The very first step is importing the library for computer vision, import cv2. The next step is, for instance, now I have to read this image which is robometrics logo.png. So over here, this image is saved in the same folder, but we can also specify the folder location instead of the name to read the image. Next, over here is the place where the complete code will come. So once I get this cv2 imread command, my image is stored in the variable called image. Now I can use this image to convert it into grayscale or have any techniques, scanny, sobel, etc., which you'll learn about in the upcoming videos. Once you have processed the complete image, I'll have to showcase the image or I'll have to print the image. The command for that is imshow. The parameters that it takes is the title of the window that has to be opened and the last variable or the variable that you have to display. Finally, I have cv2.waitKey and cv2.destroy all windows to close the image that just opened once you press the escape button. So this is how a photo can be viewed or read with the help of OpenCV libraries. Secondly, now I'll jump onto how to read a video. First thing is cv2.video capture. cv2.video capture will have as input the name of the video in quotes. Now this video is again saved in the same folder, but if you have a video that is saved somewhere else, you can just give the path of the video stored on your computer. Next, I run a while loop so that my frames are read continuously until the end. And what I have here is cap.read command. So this variable comes over here, and cap.read command outputs two parameters, ret and frame. So ret, or the return value, is just a true and false value whether it got an image when it performed cap.read or not. I'll tell you about this in a while. Talking about frame, same thing as above. If I do cv2.imshow, that frame, that particular frame from the video which was read, will be displayed. Finally, if I have to exit the video, this command is for exiting the video with the help of escape key over here. And then see, I opened cap.read, so I have to cap.release. If this is not done, you might have errors and then you'll have to close the complete code and open it again. And finally, cv2.destroy all windows. So if I run this command, my video starts playing. Also, there might be instances when I have to use the inbuilt webcam of your laptop. So instead of logo design over here, what I'll specify is just the number 0. As soon as I do that and run the code, my webcam starts taking image. So 0 is for webcam. For instance, you have an additional camera attached over here. You can specify the number 1 or 2 or so on, like that. Again, for exiting it, just press the escape key and cap.release will automatically close the webcam of your laptop. Coming to the ret part of cap.read, if I print ret over here, what I'll get is a true value from the video. And towards the end, when the video is finished, I'll get a false value and an error at the same time. So I can have a if loop at the very end. If ret is equal to false, then end the video, or just cap.release and destroy all windows. So that will automatically close the window. So this was a short video on how to read an image and a video either from your computer or the webcam in OpenCV. Stay tuned, we have lots and lots of more videos on OpenCV. Robometrics.